Hello, my name is Sandra Arguello, and I want to go over where to find all of the class material, how to turn in an assignment, and a little bit more about our class content. This is the school web page, and you can find my home page by going to Teacher Web Pages and scrolling down to Sandra Arguello. Also on this site are all of the class codes to join our Google Classroom. So all of the class material is on a Google Classroom site, and underneath each period you'll notice that I've also included with different colors the different codes for students to join for the first time. So you would copy the code, you would click on the link, you click on the plus, then click join the class, and then paste the appropriate code depending on the class period. So once you've done that, one of these squares will appear depending on the class period that your student is intending to. So let's take a look at period 5. Period 5 is Introduction to Engineering. So the first page that you see will be what's called a string, and on there I announce the activity for the day. So on synchronous days we meet together, and at this time, this is the link, or they can also join with the code. On asynchronous days, they're instructed to do the following. They need to first take their attendance. They need to do this every day for every period. They need to check out what the classwork is, and they need to ask for help. I have my email here, but I actually would prefer for the students to meet with me on the Google Classroom video chat. That way they can even share their screen with me, and I can see exactly where they're having issues, and we can work one-on-one to resolve any problems. When the students click on classwork, the most up-to-date post is at the very top. So as we go through the week, more days will appear, and they click on that very top assignment for the day. So when they click on the assignment, it will give a detailed description of what it is that we're doing. On days that we meet live, I also read through the instructions for that particular day, and within that assignment they turn in their work. So depending on the day, it could be a document that they turn in, or it could be a question that they answer, or it could be information that is just shared with them to prepare them for other upcoming assignments. So they need to check up at the very top of the page what the classwork is. There is also a way for students to view their work. My view is a teacher view, but I can show you where I have an image of what they see so that they can take a look at their grade. When they are on their classwork page, this icon appears, and this icon says view your work. What will happen when they click it is it will generate a list of all the assignments, and on the right hand side it will show their grade. Any assignment that received a 0, I encourage the student to resubmit the work for a higher grade. This class is very technical, and I do look very carefully at different types of documents and files, and I do allow for students to resubmit work to get that higher score. For the class content, if we go back to the school website and you look under classrooms, you can see here more information about the class. I have the syllabus, I have information about UCR Mesa, RCC, and then CATMA. So first thing is UCR Mesa. We're partnered with UCR Mesa, and they provide for us design challenges that we work on as a class. So these are hands-on design challenges that then they compete with other schools within our area. This is one example of something that students had to design and build, and this is another project that they had to work on. The projects change every year, and this is a free program and looks also really good on college applications. So students are encouraged to participate in the challenges. They're not required to do the competition, but regardless they'll be involved with doing the project. UCR Mesa also provides a field trip opportunity, and this year we're going virtual with that. So it will be a recorded sessions where students are invited first live and then can go back to see the video recordings of other breakout groups and sessions that they were not able to do during the school time. This is one of the machines that we'll be working with. It's the MakerBot Replicator, and along with another one which is a laser cutter that we have in the classroom when we return to the classroom. They make technical drawings that then they can use with those 3D printers to create these different products. And the software that they use is very intricate, and it can create different documents like this one, so they can elaborate on their ideas and their designs. This year we're going to be using Onshape, which is a web-based CAD software, and also we're going to work with Solid Professor, which the school has paid for, and that will give them access to online tutorials and videos that they can watch and replay at their own speed. In addition to UCR Mesa, we also partner with RCC. This course is also offered at the community college, and if they can complete the course with a B or better and get a 7 or higher on the final exam, they can get college credit. So that would mean that they would need to apply to RCC, which is free to them as a high school student. And they would also apply to this website, CAPEMA, which collaborates with the community colleges and the high schools to then post those college credits on their transcript. We'll be going over this in detail as we go through our class. I hope to return to the class very soon. This is a picture of our classroom when we return. I'm very happy to be your child's teacher. I'm excited about the program and have been working with engineering for several years now. You can ask me questions, and definitely I encourage you to do that. You can contact me on the school email. This is my phone number, and I also post pictures of student projects on a Twitter page that I have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I helped to clarify some of the questions that you have. Feel free again to reach me. I hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.